John and David flew in from Houston, Texas to visit the Van Ladder factory.
My name is David Van Ostrand. I'm the installation manager for National Signs.
John Groff, and I am the director of operations for National Signs. 64 people right now.
Okay.
And growing. Yep. Well, what brought me here is I actually got an email, random email that was sent to myself and Cody, and started looking at it and returned the email right away, got some videos back, and we're in the market to buy trucks right now, looking at putting on probably 6 to 8 trucks here in the next couple of years.
And that's really kind of what got us out here, is the hybrid truck service install van ladder.
There was a lot of features on the truck that I thought were really in favor of making our operation a lot better.
I was definitely a naysayer. I think y'all came out about 3 or 4 years ago, and I looked at it, and I really just didn't spark my interest, And then John showed me the video that he was talking about earlier, and I definitely sparked my interest. Y'all had definitely done some R&D that really brought more of the install aspect to the truck. Beforehand I'd seen it was a little limited, and I was an installer. I wanted to put signs up. I wanted to be in the basket. And seeing what y'all are capable, that truck's capable of now, is definitely very impressive.
I'm very impressed with how solid it is. I wasn't expecting it to be what I saw when I got here, and all the functionality with it, and the ease of maintenance, and I just very, very impressed.
It's smooth. I came from being an electrician. I was wearing in-van bucket trucks before, and with no riggers, and you're bouncing all over the place, going up and down, and you're just constantly up and down. And I went all the way up as soon as I got in that basket, all the way up and all the way back down, both sides, front and back, and it's just smooth. You cannot feel that van moving at all. So it was very solid to operate that basket. I think it's pretty neat the way, the aluminum basket, and the way y'all are constantly adding different jibs and arms and brackets. And
that's one of the things that impressed me too, is that you guys listen to the people that are actually operating it,
right,
and doing the work every day. I don't think there's a lot of companies out there that are actually doing that.
The capabilities of that basket almost seem endless. And then working with y'all and kind of just having conversations with David yesterday over dinner, and just sparking his interest, you could see real quick about having just the way his brain was going about having different arms, and I just really excited about working with y'all in the future about different features for that basket.
And your team, everybody I've met and everything, you guys seem like everybody really cares about what they're doing, and cares about putting out a good product.
John and David came curious and went home customers. Well, family members, really. How about you? Are you ready to take a fresh look at, what did David call it?
The hybrid truck service install van ladder.